Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel RSK Training, and as usual today we will be learning some more tips about MS Excel as we did in the last few sessions. So today I would be covering a very important topic in MS Excel. Stay tuned till the end and I'm sure you will be learning something new. Okay, if you do like my video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Okay, with that said, not wasting any more time, as I mentioned earlier that we would be covering some more Excel tips today. So I would be covering the if function, which most Excel users know, and think it's a very simple function, but believe me, you stay till the end and you will cherish what you have just gone through. And people who are just learning, if it will be an added advantage for you, stay tuned till the end. Right, turning to the f function. If the syntax of f function says if logical test, value if true and value if false. So let me tell you with some examples. Students with marks more than 25 pass in term 1. So these are term 1 marks of certain students. Now I will put an if function over here. If this is more than 25, then it's a pass, double quotes, and else it's a fail. Now people, you can see I've put it in double quotes because it's a text. So had it been a number, I do not need to put in a double quotes. I will just drag it till the end and it will give me the results. And similarly in question 2, students with marks more than 30 pass in term 2. So I will apply the same formula. If greater than 30, then pass, else fail. Right, and then similarly in question 3, students more than 35 pass in term 3, else they are failed. Now you may notice one thing, that I'm using the same functions everywhere, so I need not write the entire function again. I will just copy this one, paste it here, and paste it here. You see, this is using this term 2 marks and this is using term 3 marks. So I will drag it till the end and it will give me the results. Right, I hope this is clear. Then we move on to the next, if with add and if with or. So I will use the simple function if function over here, if and over here, and if or over here, so that you can get a clear picture. So my first question is, if students scores more than 25 in term 1, then he qualifies for final term only if has scored more than 35 in term 2. So I will just write equal to if term 1 marks are more than 25, and then I will give a comma and open another if. This is called a nested if. If term 2 is greater than 35, then it will be a pass, else it will be a fail. Bracket open, bracket close, sorry. So guys, you see, this is the end of this if function. What about this if function? A logical test is given, true value is given, we have to give a false value. So again we will write fail and enter. We'll drag it till the end. So this will tell me who are the pass according to the criteria given. Now let's move on to the if and function. If a student scores more than 25 in term 1 and more than 45 in term 2. So here I will use equal to if, bracket open, then I will use the and function. Term 1 marks is greater than 25, comma, term 2 marks is greater than 45, and then I will close the bracket. This is because I am finishing the AND function. Then I will come back to the if function. I have to give a logical if true value, which is pass a fail value, which is false, and then I will drag this till the end. Now you see, if I use 35 instead of 45, both the results are same. So nested if function and if and AND function, they almost are equivalent. If and OR function is a little different. So if term 1 marks is greater than 25 and term 2 marks is greater than 35, bracket close, then pass, else fail. Okay, now, oh sorry, I forgot the OR function. I told you, but I forgot to write. Anyways, so if I will open a bracket and then I will write the OR function and everything is written, I will drag it till the end. So here you can see these many people pass. So when we say the AND function, both the values have to be true. When we say the OR function, either of the value has to be true. So either more than 25 or more than 35. So like if you see this one, if this mark is more than 25, but this is less than 35, but still it's a pass in OR, but it's a fail in AND, because AND says both have to be true, right? So I hope this is clear. If there is any doubt, please do write your question in the comment box, and I will make sure that I will reply to each and every comment. Now moving on to the next part, which is if NA or if is error. Now say I want, this is my roll number and these are my marks. I want marks of these students. So as you might be knowing, you will use a Vlookup, this comma this comma 2 comma 0, and I will drag it till the end. I get an NA. Okay, I would like to mention here that if you are not clear about the Vlookup function, go to my earlier videos and you will find proper explanation of these Vlookup functions. Anyways, now, or I will give you in the description as well. I will use the if NA function. The if NA function is used like this: if NA, then give me what value. So let's say we want a blank, so we'll get a blank over here. And similarly, there is an if error as well, so that works also the same way. It will give me a blank value. Now the difference between an if error and an if NA is, if error eliminates any error, be it your data error, be it a formula error, anything. But if NA eliminates only error when you are getting an NA. I hope this is clear to everyone, and hope this helps you learn something new. This is not the end of a function. There are many more uses of if function, which I will cover in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, or whatever you do, stay safe, and goodbye for now. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe it if you are new to my video, new to my channel. With that, thank you guys, and see you in my next video with RSK training. Thank you so much.